If you knew you would die within a few seconds, would you still choose to travel through time? The moment you return, Earth won't be at those coordinates anymore. You're in the middle of this darkness, in an airless void at minus 270 degrees, and this isn't even your first problem. We imagine the sleek DeLorean when we think of time travel. A lovely falsehood was sold to us by Hollywood. The cosmos pauses and demands, "Hold on, where did you get all this energy?" Time travel is actually a procedure fraught with irksome physics laws. It's not impossible though, theoretically at least. The good news is that time slows down for you if you approach the speed of light or enter a strong gravitational field, as per Einstein's theory of relativity. We refer to this as time dilation. A person aboard an aircraft today is aging a billionth of a second, slower than someone sitting on the ground, indicating that travel to the future is already occurring. Every day, GPS satellites must adjust for this. Going back in time is the true issue. The bad news is that negative energy is required for it. I understand that it seems ridiculous, and you're not mistaken. Consider this. Everything, including you, me, the lunch you just finished, and even empty space, is charged with good energy. Something less than nothing is called negative energy. At very small scales, quantum physics enables this, but the cosmos can tolerate it no more than the final gulp of a beer glass. In any case, suppose you have made the decision to travel back in time. Issue 1. Earth is in motion all the time. It orbits the sun, rotates on its axis, and speeds through the galaxy at 828,000 kilometers per hour. Earth won't be there if you just go back in time and remain where you are. You will appear in the midst of space, oxygen-free, at minus 270 degrees. That is the main goal of the vaporization process. Issue 2. What if you stop the incident that would ultimately result in your own birth by meeting your grandma when you were a child? The age-old grandfather conundrum. According to several scientists, the past protects itself. According to others, you'd create a different timeline. In reality, no one is aware. Really. Hawking put it like way in his summary. Future visitors would already be here if time travel were a possibility in the future. No one is here, so look around. Easy but cruel. The fact that there is no contradiction and no way to reach the past may be the universe's strongest security measure. Or perhaps everything changes the day that negative energy is generated. Until then, remember that you're traveling to the future every morning on your way to work, although at a rather dull pace. That could be sufficient. Where would you go if you could travel back in time only once? Let's see who is more courageous and who is more sentimental by leaving a remark.